To send Bitcoin faster, it is essential to understand the basics of Bitcoin transactions and the factors that affect their speed. Bitcoin transactions are verified by nodes on the blockchain network, and the speed of verification depends on the fee attached to the transaction and the current network congestion. First, choose a reliable Bitcoin wallet that allows you to set the transaction fee. The transaction fee is a critical factor in determining the speed of the transaction. A higher fee will incentivize miners to verify the transaction faster, while a lower fee may result in a slower verification process. Next, check the current network congestion and adjust the transaction fee accordingly. You can use online tools to check the current network congestion and the recommended transaction fee. As a general rule, a higher fee is required during periods of high network congestion. When setting the transaction fee, consider the size of the transaction and the current network conditions. A larger transaction size may require a higher fee to ensure fast verification. Additionally, consider the type of wallet you are using, as some wallets may have different fee structures. To send Bitcoin faster, you can also use the opt-in replace by fee feature, which allows you to increase the transaction fee if the transaction is not verified within a certain time frame. This feature is available on some Bitcoin wallets and can help to speed up the verification process. Another option is to use the child pays for parent feature, which allows you to pay a higher fee for a transaction that is dependent on a previous unconfirmed transaction. This feature can help to speed up the verification of both transactions. In conclusion, sending Bitcoin faster requires a good understanding of the factors that affect transaction speed and the use of the right tools and features. By choosing a reliable wallet, setting the right transaction fee, and using features such as replace by fee and child pays for parent, you can ensure that your Bitcoin transactions are verified quickly and efficiently.